In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize meeting name and description in Calendly. We'll walk through this step by step so you can make your event types clearer and more professional for anyone booking time with you. Customizing the name and internal notes is especially helpful if you manage multiple meeting types and want to stay organized behind the scenes. First, open your Calendly account and go to your event types or scheduling page where your different meeting types are listed. Look for the specific meeting type you want to customize. Next to that meeting, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, usually on the right side of the event card. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu with more options for managing that event. From that menu, click on the option that's highlighted or labeled for managing or editing the event details. This will usually say something like Edit or Edit Event Type. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you into the settings for that specific meeting type. Once you're inside the event setup, you'll see a field for the event name. Click into that name field and type in the name you want to use. Think about choosing a clear descriptive title that tells invitees exactly what the meeting is about. For example, instead of something generic like meeting, you might use 30-minute project check-in or introductory consultation call. A good name helps set expectations and reduces confusion for your guests. After you've updated the meeting name, look again for the 3 dots within this editing screen. This may appear near the description or internal notes section. Click on the 3 dots there to reveal more advanced or additional options. In that menu, you'll see an option to start or add an internal note. Click on Start Internal Note. This internal note is not visible to your invitees, it's only for you and your team. Use this space to describe the purpose of the event, add reminders for yourself, or include internal guidelines on how this meeting should be run. For example, you might note the typical agenda, any tools you need to prepare, or how to qualify leads during that call. When you're done,